Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about KTM 390 Adventure 2025 motorcycle. The KTM 390 Adventure 2025 redefines what it means to explore on two wheels. Designed for riders who seek adventure beyond the ordinary, this motorcycle blends power, technology, and agility into a lightweight yet rugged package. Whether tackling winding mountain roads or venturing into remote off-road terrain, it delivers performance and reliability at every turn. Powered by a refined 373cc single-cylinder engine, the 2025 model brings improved fuel injection and ride-by-wire throttle technology for a more responsive and efficient ride. With a smooth power curve and enhanced torque delivery, acceleration is seamless across different riding conditions. The lightweight engine design ensures optimal weight distribution, improving maneuverability while maintaining stability at high speeds. The trellis frame remains a key strength, providing a balance of rigidity and flex for precise handling. The WP Apex long travel suspension system has been fine-tuned for superior comfort and control, absorbing rough terrain effortlessly. Whether crossing rocky paths, sandy trails, or asphalt highways, the KTM 390 Adventure adapts with confidence. Cutting-edge rider aids elevate the experience, with updated traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes that cater to varying surfaces. The off-road mode allows for controlled rear-wheel slip, enhancing performance on loose terrain. A bi-directional quickshifter ensures smooth gear changes, reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. The next-generation TFT display offers higher brightness and improved visibility under direct sunlight. Smartphone connectivity provides navigation, call management, and media control, allowing riders to stay connected without distraction. The intuitive interface ensures seamless interaction, even with gloves on. Ergonomics play a crucial role in long-distance comfort. The seat height is adjustable, accommodating a range of riders. Wide footpegs with rubber inserts provide comfort on highways and grip during off-road sections. The new handlebar geometry enhances control while reducing strain during extended rides. A redesigned fuel tank offers increased capacity, extending travel range between refuels. The windscreen has been optimized for better aerodynamics, reducing wind buffeting at higher speeds. These improvements make the KTM 390 Adventure more capable of handling multi-day expeditions with ease. Durability has been enhanced with a reinforced skid plate, protecting the engine and lower frame from impacts. The high-mounted exhaust design prevents water ingress during deep crossings, while the spoke wheels with tubeless tires add to the bike's resilience. Braking performance is a standout feature, with a premium by Bree braking system offering precise control. The cornering ABS system adapts braking force dynamically, ensuring maximum grip and stability. Riders can disable rear ABS in off-road mode, allowing for better modulation on dirt and gravel. The LED lighting system improves visibility in low-light conditions. Adaptive headlights adjust beam angles based on lean angle, enhancing safety during night riding. Integrated turn signals and a high-mounted taillight improve visibility to other road users. Customization is limitless, with a wide selection of KTM power parts accessories. Luggage racks, auxiliary lights, crash guards, and rally-style seats allow riders to tailor their bike for their specific needs. KTM's aftermarket support ensures easy upgrades for enhanced performance and comfort. The rally-inspired dashboard includes a trip computer displaying altitude, fuel consumption, and service reminders. These real-time metrics help riders plan their journeys more effectively, keeping them prepared for any adventure. New for 2025 is the addition of adaptive cruise control, improving long-distance comfort by maintaining a steady speed with automatic adjustments in traffic. This feature pairs with the improved wind protection and upgraded suspension to provide a relaxed touring experience. Heat management has also been improved, with redesigned cooling channels that maintain optimal engine temperature in extreme conditions. Whether navigating desert heat or high-altitude cold, the bike remains consistent in performance. For night riders, the advanced LED setup offers superior illumination. Cornering lights automatically adjust their beam direction, providing better visibility through turns and ensuring safer navigation after dark. The lightweight chassis and compact engine design make this bike approachable for newer adventure riders while offering enough performance for seasoned explorers. The blend of agility, power, and off-road capability ensures versatility across all terrains. Environmental responsibility has been considered, with the Euro 6 compliant engine reducing emissions while maintaining strong performance. Improved fuel efficiency allows riders to travel longer distances with a lower carbon footprint. High ground clearance and revised frame geometry improve off-road handling, making it easier to tackle technical sections. The refined suspension settings provide more feedback, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. A high-capacity lithium-ion battery reduces overall weight while ensuring reliable starts in all conditions. The updated charging system provides faster recharges, reducing downtime during long expeditions. The new color schemes for 2025 reflect KTM's racing heritage, with bold graphics and premium paint finishes designed to withstand extreme riding conditions. The aggressive styling ensures that the KTM 390 Adventure remains a head-turner. Connectivity features include the KTM MyRide app, which offers real-time traffic updates, weather alerts, and route suggestions. This integration enhances the riding experience, making every journey more efficient and enjoyable. With its lightweight construction, powerful engine, and cutting-edge electronics, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 continues to dominate the adventure segment. Designed for riders who refuse to be limited by terrain, it embodies the spirit of exploration. KTM's extensive dealer network and aftermarket support ensure riders have access to the best maintenance and upgrades. The 390 Adventure 2025 is built to last, with premium materials and advanced engineering that guarantee reliability for years. From urban commuting to off-grid expeditions, the KTM 390 Adventure 2025 delivers an unparalleled riding experience. Its blend of modern technology, rugged durability, and adventure-ready features make it the ultimate companion for those who seek the unknown. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.